Hello traders, the title of the video is Pitchfork tool trading tips as fast as possible. Alright, let's get started because we want this tutorial to be very short tutorial. As fast as possible, we will talk about Pitchfork tool trading tips. Alright, so I place on my chart the Pitchfork tool, the most neglected technical trading tool. So we need the 3 point to place our Pitchfork tool. Now I have my Pitchfork tool on my chart, and one of the mistakes that the Pitchfork tool traders are making is that sometimes like this, you see now it's going up. Traders will expect the price to go up to retest the media line, to find a resistance there and to pull back, or to break above the media line and go up to the top of the Pitchfork tool. Now, talking about Pitchfork tool trading tips and tips. As fast as possible, to avoid a technical trading mistake using the Pitchfork tool, one should not only pay attention to the Pitchfork tool, because when you place the Pitchfork tool on the chart, your attention is all on the Pitchfork tool. But there are other levels that you need to watch. So one example that I want to show you here is this. So you don't see any more line on the chart, but there are other trend lines. So if I draw a common set trend line, if I draw a trend line like this, look at this one, connecting this point here and this one here, we have a trend line, yes or no? All right, I'll connect it. What I'm trying to do, something like that. So I connect this point and this one here. All right, we have that blue trend line, so I'm going to color it now into red. All right, so usually when traders place the Pitchfork tool on the chart, they forget other lines on the chart. So we know that we can divide each half of the Pitchfork tool into two. All right, but apart from that, we can also remember there are other key level, trend line and resistance level. Another thing, one more thing I want to show you here, if you put this one here, all right, I'm talking about this pivot point, this one here. So we have that's why you see here when it came down, it retest that level. But the trouble is that when traders place their Pitchfork tool on the chart, they forget everything else. So their attention is completely on the Pitchfork tool, and sometimes they miss excellent trading opportunity, or they end up making mistake because they are not applying a multi-talented trading strategy. They are just focusing on the Pitchfork tool. So there's another key level here in the zone. All right, you see again, look careful here as the price breaks above. If I color it now into green, you can see that as the price breaks above that green trend line, which is the key level here, this one here, it breaks above and retests here. All right, but you are somewhere, if you are talking about, if you are just concentrating on the Pitchfork tool, you will miss this opportunity because you know that there is another line here. So usually when traders are somewhere within the band of the Pitchfork tool, they forget the trend line and all the other key level. All I would say to traders is that in order to improve your Pitchfork tool trading, you want to be aware of other key level and the Pitchfork tool. All right, it makes sense? It makes sense. So I'm going to place more line on the chart. This is about Pitchfork tool trading tips, as fast as possible. Again, the next line that I placed now, you see here, again, he went to retest the red line. You see now, it's nice to have the line. You retest it again here. See this kind of here, retest, and then he went to retouch it. So professionals know that all these lines are here, but if you remove them, you only see each half of the Pitchfork tool, and if you are not careful, you may make a lot of trading mistakes. So there's another line here, another key level here. All right. So whenever you are using a Pitchfork tool, do not ignore other. So I can join this point and this one here. All right. Here again, I can draw it. See, that's where we are now. You see, connecting this point, this one, and this one here. Now, where are we? You see here, though the price did not touch the edge of the median line of the pitchfork tool, there is a resistance here. That's why they probably finding it a bit difficult, okay, to go above it. But usually when they are using the pitchfork tool, they will just buy, okay, somewhere below here and expect it to go all the way up to the median line. But because they are not aware of other line, or they ignore other trend line, other support and resistance level, or sometimes they may try to buy here, all right? So even if we draw again the median line of each half of the pitchfork tool, so this half, if I divide it into two, okay, you will see that, okay, the median line is there, though the median line of this half here is here. We'll color it now into pink. All right, still, all right, there are resistance ahead of us, so the best place to buy is to buy above the blue line. All right, so whenever you are using a pitchfork tool, draw other line, be aware of them. Know that you are not using the pitchfork tool by itself, but you are using in conjunction with other trend line, support and resistance level, and have them on your chart like I've done it now on the monthly chart. I can switch for instance to the 30-minute time frame, and now all my lines are here and I can trade on the edge of those lines. This is just about pitchfork tool trading tips, okay, as fast as possible. Was it fast for you? Or I hope so. So understand that when we are using the pitchfork tool, we use 3 point, we draw the pitchfork tool, but we want to use the pitchfork tool in conjunction with other key trend line, key support and resistance level, so we do not end up using pitchfork tool, making a lot of technical trading mistake. Okay, I hope you have found these tips and tricks about pitchfork tool trading useful, and we put into use to improve your pitchfork tool trading. This is about pitchfork tool trading tips as fast as possible. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about pitchfork tool trading tips as fast as possible. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. I speak to you as soon